Water is an essential part when you want to do your either keeping any kind of animals actually. So all animals need water, be it cows or goats or pigs or chicken. Actually, chicken drink a lot of water. You may not know it, but they do. So before you even do your farming calculations, and if you want to start farming, ensure that you have a good water source and something that you will not struggle because your animals will need water. So you can either have the water source in your farm in form of a river, borehole, or a shallow well. You can have tanks and you let people bring you water in their boozers and all that. But I don't like that because you might find that the water that you've been brought on the farm is not clean, or someone may poison your livestock if they don't want you to prosper. So having like your own water source is very key and crucial as you start any farming venture. And this is also even for the crops. You need water for your crops, you need water for your livestock. And today we are just going to discuss about the sources of water on the farm, how you can maintain that, who needs the water and at what point. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We love you, and this is a place where we will teach you about sustainable farming and a farming that does not cost a lot of money, and also to encourage you to start with what you have. For me to get here, all those goats and everything, I did not buy, or I did not have like a huge capital to buy the goats or to buy the cattle. I started with three. I started like the sheep. I started with three sheep. I started with three goats, and now they have multiplied. For the cow, I think I started with two cows. So and they multiply. We sell. We dispose. We give them out. For the goats, I eat over the seasons. April season, I eat on the goats. August is here, and we are going to feed on them. We're also going to do the Christmas season. We will still be venturing on our cats, on our goats. So you do not need a huge capital for you to call yourself a farmer. A farmer is someone who keeps um, a few animals, grows a few crops, the crops that they need for their household, and also if there's any surplus, well and good, you're going to sell. So for me, water was crucial, and I started with a borehole. So we did the borehole. It's 90 meters deep for the water. It's run by the solar system. And I did not invest in the solar system and the borehole at the same time. Those are things that come with in several years. Like I did the borehole. I was using a generator, a lot of petrol, too much costs. I kept some money and I ventured into a solar system. So don't strain so much looking at the perfect scenario, or gathering a lot of money for you to start farming. The other thing, if you have sufficient water, then the next thing will be about the feeding program. So you need to understand, do you have like a vast land? Do you have a place where they can free range and just have like a good land where they can do their grazing? Or are you confined in a small space, and therefore you're looking at maybe having them zero grazed and you bring in the grass? The two options are okay. Of course, there's there's a disadvantage and advantage of both of them, but what I can encourage you is to learn and start with maybe minimal animals as you venture into increasing. And if you do not have that land, then you need to know where you're going to get your feeds from, because you'll not keep goats and then let them starve. So those are some of the things that I can tell you about farming. For the goats, it's okay. They eat shrubs. They like, it's little maintenance. But for the cows, they'll need like more grass, and we have grass that we've kept when it comes to dry land. So there's grass that we cut it and we keep it in storage for later months when it's dry. So this is just us grazing our goats. The acreage is quite massive, so I'm blessed for that. And thank you so much for tuning in. We are going to bring you more about this. Can you imagine if I kept free range chicken? What do you think? Let me know on the comment section if you want free range chicken keeping, and also let me know what you need to learn about goat keeping, cattle, water sources. Ask me or anything on the comments, and I'll be able to uh, answer you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If this is your first time, please subscribe. Bye and later.